You're winning this round with the TC777. No fuss. Just unfold the legs, adjust the pop filter, and you're game for another one. Its cardioid pickup pattern records clear sound and minimizes background rumble. And don't worry about spending more on accessories because you're all set. Game with clarity.
Gravity Maze is a falling marble logic game by Think Fun. It's a single-player game, great for players ages 8 and up, including adults. Your goal is to use towers to build a maze that will carry your marble from the start position to the target. Towers can stand on their own, be stacked, or even laid on their side to create a maze, and each tower color has a unique arrangement of ramps and ridges which affect the direction the marble will go, so your maze may not have as clear a path as you think. Here's a quick rundown of how to play. To begin, choose a challenge card, which shows you where to place your starting towers. These black dots on the tower pieces should match the black dots on the card, showing you exactly how the piece should be placed on the grid for this challenge. Once you're set up, you can collect the towers you'll use to build your maze, which are indicated here under Add to Grid. Once you've mastered the game, we encourage you to build your own challenges and be as creative with your maze as you can. Here's what you get with each game. 1 game grid, 9 building towers, and 1 target tower, 3 marbles, 1 to play and 2 spares, 60 challenges ranging from beginning to expert, and game instructions. Gravity Maze is brought to you by Think Fun, the world's leader in addictively fun games that sharpen your mind.
original magic bullet.
You want to